All right, we made it to Yuki and had a couple of drinks last night with Aladino.
Cheers.
Ching. Woo. Woo.
Now,
Literally a couple.
and now we're gonna head to the surf and hopefully do ourselves proud. We'll see. Neither of us are particularly good surfers, so.
I'm great at everything.
All right, fine, whatever. I'm trying not to die. Get in, loser. We're going surfing.
Get Tough City Radio, but look, ocean! It's the ocean!
She's like,
Hey, watch Ron.
nice. We had a great time. Great time.
So fun.
As usual, I'm leaving the beach bruised and battered, and I got up a couple of times actually. That's pretty good for me. So I'm happy.
Kimchi. That's a good fistful.
So much light.
Yeah.
Come on! Come on! Yeah! Oh yeah! I know!
Oh, that's cool, man.
So it's really neat because this river changes shape every year.
Yeah. What do your elf eyes see, Legolas?
Lots of trees.
No wolves, orcs, 2 days ride. Getting to drop in on Aladino on his way back down Vancouver Island is really a great sampler for just exactly what I'm working towards, trying to get this boat done so that I can actually see this beautiful coastline and get to explore all of this with my friends. So yeah, I'm cheating a little bit. I need to try it out, but it's given me inspiration to keep going. Okay, the gang's got all our gear. We're gonna go for a bit of a dive here. This is a bit of a food dive because there is a ton we can get. Black rockfish. I want to get scallops for the first time ever.
In theory, but
theory.
let's see what there
In
is.
theory.
In theory.
Don't jinx it.
Let's see what
Sure.
Let's go see if there's food down there.
Let's go see if there's food. And ling.
Get premise.
They can get 3 ling here each. So we could
ling,
fill our freezers today, or we could see some beautiful nature.
I'm happy with one.
One or the other. We're great.
Nice.
Bye. So I don't know if it got on camera, but I shot one of the black rockfish I shot. Didn't go all the way through its head. Hit its brain a little bit, I think, but like then it managed to get off the hook. See the other fin? Do you see the other fin? It went around here, down here. I made that. You okay?
I'm gonna have another bruise.
I cannot believe what just happened. Yeah, so there it is. That's the one I shot. Aaron,
Found it.
caught it with your hands. Nice! Aaron just nearly fucking ate it.
Not the fish.
No. Life itself. Thank you. Put down here my
shoes.
sneakers.
Thank you for saving my life.
Hey, you're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you.
It's good shoes. I got it.
Putting a new meaning into rock scallop, hey?
That's such a fat rockfish.
Look at this rockfish. This rockfish. We should weigh this one.
Well, flirt.
Awesome.
Woohoo!
Does something smell like fish to you? What a dive!
Look at this shot. Yes, it's a small rockfish, but I want a moment for my in and out perfect fucking brain shot on that one. Shot and could not dispatch and just gave to Simon. I'm like, this is your problem now. I need to go breathe. I just looked down and there's this sea lion coming right at me and I have the fish attached. And then I'm swimming away and I look down and he's looking at me, so I had to like turn on my belly and hug the fish to keep the fish out of the water.
And turn your back on a
my back on a large, and then just don't look
sea
down.
lion.
Just don't look. Swim, don't look. What you don't know can't hurt you, right?
Right?
Exactly. Something like that.
When you don't know has a giant mouth and lots of teeth. Something like that. Anyway, we're all right. Diving on the West Coast open to the open Pacific, it's no joke. That surf is pretty intense, and I was reminded real quickly not to take it for granted. I have the scrapes and bruises to prove it. But you know, we made it out the other end, and we have a catch bag full of goodies to cook. Up and over, watch out.
Well, so will the next few waves.
Okay, we gotta be careful. There's a little break.
There's a prize for getting these.
So we've got the fish, we've got the scallops, we're getting barnacles, gooseneck barnacles, and of course, big juicy mussels. Look at them.
Cling on quite a bit.
Yeah,
like a
it's like a
double butt.
Siamese one. Yeah.
I wonder how they taste.
Let's go find out.
Let's go find out. Your net.
Yes.
Whoa, nice one. Whoa,
Size of that.
Yeah. I might leave this behind.
Best when I gave you that fish. Cooking time on the mussels. Oh my gosh. Oh, goodbye, everyone. Left to go.
Look at that.
Boy. It's the skin that you peel off. So tender.
All right, so these have hit the frying pan. We've got the white wine and the garlic and the butter, lots of butter in there. And then once they've hit all of that, and they cook them a little bit longer than the mussels, you break the skin around the top, you rough up the bottom, and then usually, maybe rough up the middle a bit. Usually, come on, don't be like that. Camera's rolling, don't be like that. Usually, there we go. It comes off like a tube sock. That's the outer skin. Don't eat that. Bottom skin, not as like shelly or clam as you're expecting. More like crab. It's really sweet. It's amazing. These are everywhere.